Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my another English vlog video. This is Ruma Naik in front of you, in front of camera, and now I am making video. As you know, I fond of making video. I am fond of learning English. I am an English lover. That's why I am telling you. And have a look. The weather is foggy morning, and let's get started without delay. A very good morning everyone, and have a look the weather. It's foggy morning, it likely to rain. I think when I was talking with my mother yesterday, that time my mother was telling me it's raining here, so I think everywhere is raining. I think maybe, I don't know, but today is Sunday, it's not sunny day, it will rain. I think we are waiting for Sunday. Yeah, who are living in the city, they are know it very well. Really, we are waiting only Sunday. We will, so that we will go outside. We spending time with our family members, with our friends, with our kids. That's why we are waiting only Sunday. But how can we go? It likely to rain. We will go somewhere. What to do actually? It's foggy morning and sun hasn't come yet. The sky is getting dark, and today outside is not freezing. And I am making video, and my husband told me that I want you to learn this language, I want you to speak English. And one more thing that he told me too long ago, that if you want to help me really wholeheartedly, then you can try to learn this language. You can try to learn new things. If you change yourself, if you want to change, if you want to improve yourself, not only helping me, not only helping my family member, but also you have to change your life, you have to change your upcoming generation. So if you learn any kind of new work, so as you know, my husband is a tailor, so he told me if you learn ladies tailor work, but I wasn't interested in it, so I told him I will learn English and I will try to speak English every day. So he told me that you can try, you can practice every day, you have to learn this language perfectly. It's a very good news. If you learn this language, then you can change your life, you can change your upcoming generation. If you learn this language, if you speak this language, then my daughter will learn by listening to me. So that's why I'm learning, that's why I am speaking English. And my all family members, they don't know how to speak English actually. How can they know? And when I was in my village, that time I used to practice and used to learning this language, but I didn't upload. As you know, I didn't upload on social media, on YouTube. And nowadays I create a social YouTube channel, and I uploading every day a new vlog video and to change my life, to do something better in my life. And I know if I learn this language, then I can get so many offers, so many more offer we can get. So I will tell you, if you are beginners like me, then you can learn this language perfectly. You have to practice every day, you have to learning, you have to listening, you have to speaking also. Not only input, but you have to output also. Not only listening, but you have to speak English, how to speak English. And you have to make mistake. Without making mistake, we are not able to speak English perfectly, and making mistake is a part of learning. So don't think about that. If I make mistake, then somewhere some people will laugh at me. It's nothing. Don't think about it, and you can do, and you have to do it. Yes, And one more thing, that's it. If you don't have subscribed my channel, go and please subscribe my channel, because I want to be fluent in English speaker, as you know. Or we can say, or I can say, I have to crave a niche for myself. So please help me, please support me, and please correct me if I'm making a mistake, if I'm doing mistake, if I'm speaking wrong, then you can please correct me. You have to correct me. If you do it, then it will be very helpful for me to learn this language, to speak this language perfectly. That's why I'm telling you. And I didn't make breakfast today, Sunday, so we will go outside for breakfast. And we are, as you know, we have been living Hyderabad for so so I will eat nothing but dosa. Yes, Siri also like to eat dosa, and every Sunday she go outside with her father, and she eats every Sunday. She eats dosa. She is very, she like it very much. And have a look over there. There is a government school. Can you see it properly over there down? And there is a big tree in middle in the school. And when I was a student that time, really I used to fool around in the classroom. It was memorable time. We can't forget it, even though we want. Really, it's a nice. It was nice, memorable time. Then, if you practice this language, if you learn this language, then you can get success. No one stop you to achieve your goal, and you have to practice every day. Sooner or later you will get success. Yes, believe me and believe yourself, and learn this language without thinking what people are think about you. No need to think, you just try, you just speak English. Don't think about bad comments. I also, if you ask me, then how did you learn this language, then I will tell you. I really, I got I got a bad comment my friend circle, from my friend circle. As you can say, when I was beginner that time, I was trying to speak English in front of them, but they told me, some of them, one of them told me empty vessel sound much. Yes, empty vessel sound much. I don't know, I didn't know that time what's the meaning, what are they saying. I thought that they are saying me something, but that time I didn't know the meaning, what's the meaning of it. I don't know that time, but I thought I have to change my life, I have to speak English perfectly. And I see it, and I see it every. You can find easily many more people, you can find easily that they have so many more degree, but they can't speak in English. They good at all things, but they are not good at speaking English. So if you practice every day, if you if you want to change your life, then you can try. And ever since I started watching English related video, really I'm improving, I'm practicing, and not a day goes by that I'm not watching English related video. I'm not watching English relative how to speak in English relative video. Actually, as you can see, I want to fluent English speaker, and I wasn't stubborn, but it was it was my in my mind. Then I will change my life, I will change my present position. So that's why I'm trying learning English, and I'm speaking English, and I will be practicing. Please support me, and don't forget to share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And one more thing, I know it, whenever you want to do something better in your life, then there is a someone who hate you without any reason. It's a really it real and real, and true is always bitter, as you know. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep going, and please support me if you like, and if you comment my video, then really it I will feel motivated. Please do it, and please keep practicing, keep learning, keep going. So bye bye, see you. I will see you on next video, and I have to go downstairs. Bye bye.